Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to be notified as soon as I post a new video. Hi guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. We all dream of having long, thick and strong hair. And we do so many things for it. We try different products, different home remedies. But two things that actually make the most impact on the quality of your hair are one, your genes, which we obviously cannot do anything about because we are born with it. And second is your diet, which is definitely in your hands. So today let's ask Dr. Divita what all things we should include in our diet in order to have good healthy hair. So here is Divita with us. Divita, you've told me umpteen number of times that what I eat has the maximum impact on the quality of my hair. So can you tell us what all we should eat in order to have good hair?
You should have iron, calcium, omega-3 fatty acids, minerals and vitamins. To ensure that you get all these things in right proportion and right amount, you must include superfoods in your diet.
So what are these superfoods?
I'm going to tell you 10 superfoods which can make huge difference to your hair. So the first one is almonds. It is full of vitamin E and antioxidants. It prevents hair loss and it will promote hair growth and will nourish your hair. And also it is a good source of biotin, which is very important for good hair.
And you can incorporate almonds in your day-to-day diet by either soaking these in the night and having these in the morning, or you can even roast these, add a little bit of salt to it and have these anytime, or you can even add almonds to desserts like kheer and milkshakes.
Second in the list, which is my personal favorite, is mangoes.
Mangoes, really?
Yes, you can have one mango daily. It is full of vitamin A, vitamin E and vitamin C. Vitamin A will help to prevent dandruff. Vitamin E will help microcirculation in the hair and scalp, and vitamin C will help in collagen building so you can have thick hair.
Wow, I never knew that mangoes are so good for our hair.
So third in the list is flax seeds and pumpkin seeds. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and minerals which will give good texture to your hair.
And how you can incorporate flax seeds in your daily diet is by having these raw. You can take 1 teaspoon of flax seeds in the morning, either just like that or with a glass of water. If you don't like the raw taste of flax seeds, then you can roast these, add a little bit of salt to it and have it. Or you can even add flax seeds to your parathas or to your curd. And same goes for pumpkin seeds. In fact, pumpkin seeds taste very good when they are roasted.
So the next superfood is also a seed, chia seeds. It contains 23% protein, copper, zinc, which will boost your hair growth.
I don't know if you've seen chia seeds, but as Divita said, these are indeed very good for our hair. And when these are added to any liquid, they swell up and a gel-like coating is formed around these. And how you can have these is, you can add chia seeds to water or lemonade and wait for about 10 minutes for these to swell up, and then you can have this water. You can even add these to juices or to faludas. Very often these are added to the faluda ice creams that we have in the market. You can even grind these to make a powder, and you can add these to your wheat flour, to your other flours, so that you have these every time you have chapatis.
So the next is walnut, which is full of antioxidants and vitamin B, which will give extra volume to your hair.
And walnuts you can have every day in the morning. Just take about 2 walnuts along with your almonds, or you can even add these to your cakes, brownies,
Cookies and chocolates.
yes.
Number 6 on the list is green leafy vegetables such as spinach and broccoli. It is full of vitamin C, folic acid and beta carotene, which will keep your hair follicles healthy.
So spinach you can have by either making a sabji or a paratha out of it. But one thing I want to tell you is that don't boil or blanch your spinach leaves before you cook these, because when you boil these, then all the nutrients get drained off into the water. And as far as broccoli is concerned, you can make a broccoli soup, or you can even add it to salads, pastas and pizzas.
Protein is very important for well-nourished hair. So if you don't have protein in your diet, then you can have dry and brittle hair. So the best source of proteins is eggs. But if you don't eat eggs, then you can use other source of vegetarian proteins, and you can have lentils, paneer, soya bean and sprouts in your diet. So the next in the list is oats, which contains minerals like potassium, magnesium and iron, which will boost hair growth, and it also helps to maintain a natural hair color.
And the way to include oats in your diet is by having these with milk in the morning as a breakfast item, or you can even make masala oats like we make khichdi or upma. I even make oats dosa and oats idli. You can easily find these recipes on the internet.
Ninth is root vegetables that contains carrot, beetroot and sweet potato. It contains beta carotene and biotin, which will give strength to your hair.
Carrots and beetroots you can have in the salad, so you can even make juices with these. And sweet potato is basically shakargandi. You can make chaats with these. This is a very popular item in India in winters.
So last item in this list is milk and milk products. As we all know, it is a good source of calcium and proteins, which is very essential for your hair.
So in this list we have included vegetarian superfoods for having good hair. If you are a non-vegetarian person, then obviously having things like meat, fish, etc. will help you improve your hair even more. So we hope that you found this video useful. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and connect with me on my Instagram and Twitter account.
Oats, which contains so the next मैं बोल रही हूँ एक्शन हो रहा है. Next is oats.
Make oats dosa and oats idli.
फालतू बहुत हंसाई है मेरे पास.